Imagine waking up to a $200 notification on your phone before you even get out of bed, or getting a payment alert in the middle of a meeting, all while you're just going about your day. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. What if I told you that making money while you sleep isn't just a dream? Today, we're diving into 10 passive income ideas that will help you make an extra $1,000, $2,000, or even more each month, without you working for it 24/7. But there's a catch. You have to take action right now. If you're ready to start building wealth the smart way and set yourself up for financial freedom, stay tuned. Let's dive in, because time waits for no one. 1. The call to adventure. The problem and the opportunity. First on the list, affiliate marketing. Picture this. You create a website or YouTube channel, you recommend products you love, and you get paid every time someone makes a purchase through your unique link. Sounds simple, right? The key here is that you don't need to create the product yourself, you just share it. But here's where most people get stuck. They don't take action. Building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time and consistency. But if you play the long game, the payoff can be massive. Trust me, you could be earning thousands while sipping your morning coffee. The real question is, are you willing to put in the effort for that long-term freedom? Now let's say you're not a fan of building websites or making videos. What if you could invest your money in a way that paid you just for holding on to it? Second, dividend stocks. Dividend stocks. Here's the deal. Some companies pay you a portion of their profits every quarter just for owning their stock. Imagine earning money while doing absolutely nothing. It's like getting paid just for being there. But here's the catch. Not all stocks are created equal. You have to choose reliable companies with a history of paying dividends. And yes, this method does take some initial research. But the beauty is, once you've invested, your money starts working for you, passively. Over time, these dividends can grow, and before you know it, your income becomes a steady stream. So are you ready to make your money work for you? Or are you going to let it sit there, gathering dust? 3. Sell digital products. Sell digital products. No inventory, no shipping, just pure profit. Whether it's ebooks, design templates, or online guides, people are willing to pay for your knowledge and creativity. The best part? Once the product is created, it can sell over and over again with minimal effort. But here's where the urgency comes in. Creating a digital product that actually sells isn't easy. It requires effort, research, and creativity. But once it's out there, you can literally make money in your sleep. It's passive income at its finest. The journey getting to the solutions. 4. Peer-to-peer lending, peer-to-peer lending. Think of it as becoming a mini bank. You lend your money to borrowers through platforms like Lending Club or Prosper, and in return, they pay you back with interest. It's a win-win. You help someone get a loan, and you earn interest for doing nothing after that initial investment. But here's the catch. Not all loans are safe, so make sure to diversify and carefully vet your borrowers. This way, you're mitigating risk while still earning passive income. 5. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding. Here's the thing. Most people think you need tens of thousands of dollars to invest in real estate. But thanks to platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul, you can invest in real estate with just a few $100. You pool your money with other investors, and when the property appreciates, you earn a portion of the profit. It's an easy way to get into real estate without the hassle of managing property. But here's the twist. Like any investment, it takes patience. You won't see overnight results, but over time, your investment can grow passively. Are you ready to think long-term? 6. Rent out your car. Rent out your car. You don't have to drive it to make money from it. Just let someone else do it for you. Using apps like Turo, you can rent your car out when you're not using it. Whether you have a luxury car or just a reliable sedan, people are looking to rent cars for short periods. It's almost like a hidden gold mine that most people overlook. It requires no work once your car is listed, and you get paid for the days it's rented out. 7. Create an online course. Create an online course. You've got skills, whether it's fitness, photography, or personal finance. You can teach others what you know. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare make it easy to create and sell your course, and once it's made, it runs on autopilot. But here's the catch. You have to create real value. If you're not offering something valuable, your course will flop. But if you nail it, you could be raking in cash without doing anything once it's live. 8. Invest in index funds. Index funds. Want to make your money grow steadily over time? Invest in index funds. These funds track a broad market index, like the S&P 500. And over the long term, they consistently outperform individual stocks. It's a set it and forget it approach. But here's the thing. You have to stay patient. These funds aren't going to make you rich overnight. But if you invest consistently over time, you'll see your wealth grow. This is the slow and steady path to financial freedom. 9. Cashback credit cards. Cashback credit cards. You're already spending money, so why not get paid for it? With cashback credit cards, you earn a percentage of every purchase you make. Some cards even offer bonus cash back on categories like groceries, gas, or dining. The best part? It's free money. But here's the catch. Don't overspend, or those rewards will be eaten up by interest. Use them wisely, and you're on your way to a passive income boost. Now here's the big one, the ultimate passive income idea that combines ease with long-term growth. Stay tuned, because this one's the game changer. 10th, automated dropshipping. Dropshipping. Set up an online store, find suppliers, and automate the process. You market the products, and when someone buys, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. The key here? Automation. With the right tools, you can create a fully automated dropshipping business that earns money while you're doing, well, nothing. But here's the thing. Competition is fierce, and it takes time to find your niche and build traffic. But once it's set up, it's one of the most hands-off ways to generate income. So there you have it, 10 powerful ways to earn passive income and start building your wealth today. But here's the most important part of this video. None of this will work unless you take action.